Don't spend a fortune at the pharmacy. Do what my grandma used to do, a remedy passed down in our family for generations. The main ingredient is ginger. It naturally warms the body and gives great support when the weather turns cold. First, cut the ginger into small pieces and place them in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. This helps clean the ginger and makes the skin smoother. Pour in water, stir, and let it sit for about 10 minutes. If there's any residue left, scrub it off with a brush and trim rough spots with a small knife. Rinse the ginger in fresh water. Boil a large pot of water, place a metal strainer inside, and add the ginger. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of the pieces. Once softened, take it out, slice it thinly, and spread it out on a tray so the pieces don't touch. Leave them on the windowsill to dry completely. When the slices are dry, transfer them to jars. Usually, you'll get about 2 full jars. Add a tablespoon of sugar to each. Pour balsamic vinegar into one and regular vinegar into the other. Store at room temperature. After about 10 days, they're ready to eat. Enjoy 2 slices a day. The ginger gently warms from within, supports digestion, and helps relieve heaviness after meals. A natural, time-tested way to strengthen your body without any unnecessary additives.